In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the mirror modifier in Blender. The mirror modifier is a powerful way to model symmetrical objects quickly and cleanly. Instead of building both sides of a mesh, you'll work on just one side and let Blender generate the mirrored half automatically. This saves time and helps keep your design perfectly consistent. Start by selecting the object you want to work on. Head to the Modifier Properties tab, the one with the little wrench icon, and add a mirror modifier. As soon as it's applied, Blender will look at your object's origin and create a mirrored version across a plane that passes through that point. That origin is crucial because it defines where the split happens and which side is mirrored. Next, choose the axis you want to mirror across, X, Y, or Z. Think of these axes as directions in your scene. For most character bodies or mechanical parts that are symmetrical left to right, the X-axis is a good starting point. If your object is front to back symmetrical, try Y, and for top to bottom symmetry, use Z. If the mirrored half appears in an unexpected direction or looks offset, that's a sign the origin isn't where you want the center seam to be. Turn on clipping in the modifier. With clipping enabled, any vertices you move toward the center seam will snap together and stay merged. This prevents tiny gaps from forming along the middle and keeps the mirrored halves cleanly connected. If you notice vertices pulling apart at the seam, double check that clipping is on before making further edits. From here, model only one half of your object. Extrude, move, scale, and add detail on the side you intend to keep, and watch as the mirrored side updates in real time. You don't need to duplicate your actions, the modifier does that for you. This workflow is especially helpful when blocking out shapes, refining silhouettes, or making quick iterative changes. Keep an eye on the object's origin throughout the process. If the seam isn't where you expect, or if the mirror appears off-center, it usually means the origin needs to be aligned with the spot you want as the mirror plane. Confirm it before you get too far so your edits mirror exactly where you intend. That's the core idea. Add the mirror modifier, pick the correct axis, enable clipping to merge the center, and model only one half while the other half updates automatically. With a properly placed origin, you'll get clean symmetric results with half the effort.